What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Drift Slayer's Lair. I know I haven't worked on it in a while, but I'm gonna finally get on it. It's been like a month that I haven't touched the Lexus. I'm gonna start working on it today, so we'll see what we get done. So I went to the pick-up parts and down here in San Bernardino, and I found some stuff that I needed for the car. So I found a hood, a rear door, and then I found the trunk. So got most of the pieces. I didn't get a front bumper because I'm gonna get an aftermarket front bumper and stuff like that and make it look cool, make it look more aggressive than the stock stuff. So let's see what we get done today. Hopefully it's a lot. Hopefully, I guess, I don't know, but I'm gonna start working on getting everything out of here. You guys knew it from the last video what I did, but I'm gonna try to get the whole thing cleared out today. Hopefully, it depends, but I'm gonna try, and we'll see how far we get done today. All right. So before I take off like the wiring harness in the front, I wanted to show you guys something. So what I did is I took my battery charger and hooked it up to the positive negative to the car, just to see what would work on the inside, and everything works. But I want to show you something that I thought was freaking funny as hell. All right, let's go. Get in here. Boom, boom, boom. Take you down. So the car had almost, you can see that, almost 300,000 miles on it. What's this? Let's see. The radio, I don't even know what's playing. The CD, it's stuck inside. But system bumps pretty good. Let's see, watch. What do we have it on?
Coated bird in a couple pots. I'ma need to know you in and not. I'ma need the one without a top. Pulled it right up out the
I have no idea what this is.
Got me one of these little baddest hoes.
The CD is stuck inside the CD player. It won't even come out or nothing like that. But let me show you how to turn this off. I try to turn it off the old-fashioned way like you normally do, the off button right here. Well, that doesn't work. So what you have to do is, here, let me unpause it. Alright, watch. This is how you turn it off. I thought that was hilarious. That's the only way you can turn it off, unless you turn it off with the key. But what the fuck? Like, the off button don't work, so you gotta throw it off every time? I think that's pretty funny. Oh, there we go. And it just goes right back in, but you can't turn it off. It's hilarious. Even touching the button, you can't turn it off. No off button! Turn off! That's the funniest shit ever, right? Oh my god. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was pretty funny. Alright, we're gonna get back to work now. Bye. So right now what I'm doing is I am just cutting all the brake lines from the ABS system. So I'm just cutting them off because you don't need any of these lines, because I'm doing a whole new line. So I'm cutting every single one from from the front one right here, the front brake right here, and then these go to the rear. So I am just cutting everything that goes to the ABS unit, because you don't need this anymore. I'm getting rid of it. So that's going to be one less thing in the engine bay. I'm going to do my own little setup for that. So that's what's going on with that right now. So we're just going to keep on going with that. Alright, getting rid of the ABS. Uh-oh. Nothing here. There we go. Alright. Drain it all out. And then this is what we do with it. Once it's out, you just take it. So you need this fucking thing anymore. And you just open it. Goodbye. And that's what you do with that, because you don't need it. Bye. So, the time has come to get all this wire, this whole wiring harness out. I'm going to make it real simple for myself. And I'm going to use this. Because I'm not going to try to save this wiring harness. Like I said, I'm making my own. So here we go. One side down, one to go. And that's how you get rid of a harness that you're not using. Alright. Well, engine bay is pretty much done. I got everything out that I wanted to get out. The only thing I didn't get out was the brake booster because, I got to go underneath the dash. So I'm going to wait on that until I take the dash out and everything else out because it's going to make it a little easier. I'm 6'5" and it's really hard to get underneath there. So I'm going to wait on that, but other than that, I got everything, cut the shit out of the wire harness. Fuck it. Bye-bye. See you later. And on that side too. So basically, it's all out. So now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start on the inside now. So that's going to be fun. Probably going to do a time lapse on that. So, because it's a lot of shit that's going to come out. So I'm going to do time lapse on that, make it go a little faster and go boom. So here we go. So this is kind of funny. You know how I cut the wiring harness right here in front? Right there? Well, if you have electric seats and it's all the way back, you can't get a wrench or anything in there to get the bolt that's in the back. So there's a bolt, it's underneath there. And there's no way to get a socket or a wrench underneath there on both sides. So what you have to do is you have to find out what wires it is, since I cut the wire harness. So now what I did is I just put it to my battery charger and I found out what wires it was. So now I'm going to plug it in and go from there. Oh, there goes the seat. It's moving forward. But look, I know I have plenty of room to get the seats. Top 5. So stupid. And then I have to do that with the other side. Oh damn. Jesus. Who the fuck sits right there like that? Damn. But anyways, I figured that out. It took me a little bit to figure that out. Oops. Oh well, you live and you learn. Now I know for next time, but I gotta do the same thing for the other seat. Oh well. At least I know which wire it is now, so I can just plug those into the wires that I just did to, and good to go. So I don't think I'm gonna fit in here like this. Should this be my new racing position? Oh shit. Come on. Racing, right here like this. New drift position. this work out? I can't even. What the fuck? Who sits like this? Jesus. Beep beep. Fucking I gotta get out. My knees are cramping. Jesus Christ. I'm glad the door's not there. What the fuck? Oh, it's too funny. Alright, I got a lot done for now. I'm still gonna work on it in a little bit. Time for me to eat dinner. I'm hungry. Yum yum yum. So I'll show you what I got so far. I got the front seat out, the whole back seat, and all the speakers, and the back of whatever shit was up. So now I just gotta hot wire the other passenger seat, get the other door off, and then start getting the headliner out, and then start doing the dash and the carpet and shit like that. So that'll come. My plan is to get that all today. So I'm gonna go eat and I'll be back. Alright. So I did a lot of stuff. After I came back from dinner, I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna get going, and took off the door, took off the other seat. I got part of the dash. The center console is all out. So now it's time to rip out the carpet. Daisy, what are you doing? You eating the carpet over there? Something good on there? Yeah? Okay. But anyways, I'm ready to rip out the carpet and get the fuck out of it because it's disgusting. That shit all over the place. Lady, don't eat it. I don't know what you're eating, but don't eat it. It's so sticky and yuck. Carpet up. I'll show you everything that's out of the car already. Move on. Move, Daisy. They're sniffing the shit out of it, but look at all this. Oh shit. Those doors are fucking heavy too, so I'm gonna weigh them and see how much they weigh with all the door panels and on it and shit, and then the windows in, and then I'm gonna take all the windows out, door panels off, and then I want to see how much they weigh after that. But I'm going to try to get this car light. Hopefully. So, alright, so we're going to keep on going. And I'm going to get the dash out. So, yeah, getting the dash out. Alright, yay! Got the dash out. That took a little pain in the ass to do because there was, you know, a couple of bolts that were underneath that were hidden that I couldn't find, but I got them, motherfuckers. But anyways, now all I gotta do is take out the whole AC unit now. I take out the AC unit here, that's part of it, and then I gotta get rid of all these wires. This is part of the airbags right here, and then I gotta go and get rid of that. That's the airbags right there too. And I still gotta do the headliner and shit like that. Yeah, that's coming along. So I'm gonna get on that now and see how far I get on this. I don't know, but it's fun. It's funish. It'll be fun after this is all done and the cage is in and I'm actually driving. Then it'll be fun. But for right now, this is not fun. But anyways, we'll keep on going. Okay, the time has come for the AC unit to come out. All I have to do is one more bolt and we're good to go. So here we go. That one bolt, take it off. And then this is how we get it off. Oh, it didn't work. Oh. Come on. Come on. There we go. Wait. Oh. There's one part. So we do with that. Here's the other part. Let's just do this. Turn on this light. Oh. Get out of here. You have this one too. Get out of here. Ah. Hey, what a successful day so far. Look at this. A lot of it out today. Let's see if we get that black shit out. Let's see. Alright, let's get back to work. Alright, well, I got a lot done today. I'm very happy with the progress that I made today. Got the full interior out of the whole car. So here, let's take a look. Got everything out. Even got the headliner out, which is good. Now I just gotta work on the sunroof. But I'm gonna come back another day. Today was a good day. So yeah. Yeah, got everything out. So much shit came out of this goddamn car. It's hilarious. Look at that pile. Bunch of junk everywhere. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I will get back to it in a couple days or so, and hopefully you guys liked what I did today. So just keep on checking it out every time I post one. So alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will get back to you guys later. Alright, bye.